Hey guys, welcome again to another live trading session with me at Market Potentials. Now, I know I have been missing for a couple of, I think it's almost 2.5 months or something now. It's just that I haven't quite had the time to be putting up this, trading videos on YouTube. But anyway, I hope to, be a little bit more consistent with this going forward. I have obviously still been trading. I've just been doing it from my mobile. It's just a lot easier. But anyway, like I said, I will try to make an attempt going forward. So anyway, I thought I'll kick off this video by announcing. Okay, sorry, this was just another trade that I had made. Obviously, as you can see here, I'm still trading. Anyway, what I was saying is that let's kick off this series of video by making what I had in mind was actually a 10 days video series. All right, guys, so a 10 days video series where I actually show you guys how I start making $100 from day one. So today is going to be day one, and we're going to end day 10 with a bang by making $1,000. What does that sound like to you guys? Does that sound good? Yeah, well, let me know in the comments down below. So anyway, guys, yes, I have jumped into this trade right now. I'm trading the euro and the New Zealand dollars in a binary option trade. As you can see, I put in $150. Like I said, the goal for today is to make $100 in profit in just what I can show you here. At the moment, things are obviously going my way. I've got 2 seconds to the expiration time, and here we go. So that's $112.50 in profit. And we just made our goal for today. All right, like for at least this video. All right, so anyway, let's not just show you what I'm doing and maybe dive into it a little bit and tell you how exactly I'm doing it. So obviously I looked at this forex pair, the euro and the New Zealand dollar pair. I'm trading the binary option pair, and the platform I'm using is IQ Option. So for those of you who are new, I have been trading on this platform in particular for almost 8 years. The link to sign up on the same platform that I'm using is down below at the bottom of this video, so you can go ahead and do that and join me on this journey if you'd like. It's completely free, by the way. And yeah, to get started on this platform, all you need is just a $10 deposit and you're good to go. So basically that's it. So $10 gives you your first access to trade. But if you don't have that $10, you just want to try it out, that's fine. Just go ahead, sign up for the link down below, and you can then start demo trading. Demo trading is just basically a practice account, right? So you get a feel for the actual platform as well as what you need to do and stuff. You can then perfect your trades, and eventually when you're ready, go ahead and just put in $10 deposit and try trading that way. So let's just quickly jump into this and tell you exactly why I jumped into this trade. Like I said, is the euro and the Kiwi forex currency in a binary option trade. Obviously, I'm looking at the trend and what's going on. I trade mostly based on what I see in the charts, as well as what I know is happening around the world. But mostly it's technical trading. All right, so technical trading just means that you're relying on the indicators that you see here. So this is an indicator, the Bollinger Band, and what you see here, this top line, the bottom line, this is the Bollinger Band, this is the median, the orange line, and this is obviously the candlesticks. The candlesticks are basically the price movement of the underlying forex pair in this case that we're trading, i.e. this. The other indicators that I use, they're all pretty basic, guys, because I really don't use anything complicated. So yes, I know if this is the first time you're looking at a trading video, it sounds completely foreign to you. You have no idea what's going on. What is all this colorful stuff? But honestly, it's not. I'm pretty sure you could, if you really want to, just cover everything you need to know in an hour or two at most. Yeah, you can watch my videos for some of the stuff that I've taught about the technical indicators as well if you'd like. Okay, so the next one is MACD. Now this is just a fancy word of saying momentum indicator, right? It's moving average, convergence, divergence. All right, so basically when the blue line is above the red line, it's showing an uptrend, and you can actually see that here. See, blue line is above, uptrend is happening. And when the red line is on top, that's a downtrend that's happening. As you can see, the red line is on top, and obviously the chart is going down. So like I said, like it's really simple. It's just an indicator. And the RSI is called a relative strength indicator. Typically, when it hits the purple line here, that's the actual price movement chart. Hits the green line, that's considered overbought, and it's going to correct. In other words, it would eventually come down. Again, like I said, it's just an indicator. Now, do bear in mind that these indicators are not the gospel truth, meaning you can't rely on just one indicator, which is why I always advocate using at least 3 to 4 indicators to build a picture. All right, what you're trying to do is just build a picture of where you think the chart is going to go, the direction of the chart, so to speak. So in this case, I entered the trade here. So this white dotted line is the purchase expiry line. All right, so meaning you have to make a decision and to click whether the chart is going to go up or down by the time you come to this. Beyond this, you can't take this trade, then you have to wait for another trade. Now, basically in binary options trade is very, very simple. All you're trying to do is just predict the trend of the chart. All right, so all you really have to do is just guess the direction of the chart, whether it's going to go up or down. That's it. That's really all you're doing, nothing else. Okay, now I trade with the simple 30 seconds interval. So as you can see here, this is 3 p.m. all right, so 1500, and this is 1501, and this is the purchase expiry. So I made a decision in that the chart is going to go upwards by this point. And in that sense, all it really had to do is just be above this green line here. You see this green dotted line? Now this green dotted line is where I made the entry point. All right, so that's here. You can see here 1.77365. So as long as the chart ends up being above this dotted green line in 30 seconds, which is the red line here that you see, I'm in the money. That's it. It's really just that's really all you're doing, you know. So in this case, obviously, I knew that the chart is going to go up based on what I see in the indicators here. So I just went ahead and selected higher, and true enough, it did. 30 seconds later, I put in $150. I got a return of 76% ROI. That's a return of investment, giving me a net profit of $112.50. Now, guys, like I said, that's net profit. All right, so obviously I love this because this is not like a business you're running. You don't have to worry about employees, you don't have to worry about stock, you don't have to worry about tax, because most countries trading, the gains you make from trading is tax free. You don't have to worry, even if you have an online business, you don't have to worry about Facebook ads, whatever else you want to think about. So yeah, basically this is really one of the easiest way if you're looking to earn an income trading. And I know that at this current time, obviously a lot of people are affected with what's going on around the world in terms of the economy, in terms of job loss. So you might want to look into this if this is something you've wanted to try. Like I said, it's free. The link to sign up is down below, so go ahead and get yourself hooked up with a trading account. By the way, this is IQ option, and yeah, this is the only platform I've been using for the past 8 years. It's been working great. So that's it for now, guys. Like I said, I promise I'll try to come back tomorrow with another trading video, and in the second video we're going to attempt to do $200 profits on the trade on the day. Okay, so yeah, I'm glad to be back, you guys. Feel free to drop in your comment down at the bottom of the video about what you think of this 10 days video series, where we literally learn how to make $100 from day 1, and we end up day 10 making $1,000 in profit. All right, so take care, guys. Ciao.